Good. Okay. Well, it appears that we are live. And let's see here. This is talk show number 16 for students of English. Welcome, everybody, to the show.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, how
Hi.
are you? Good
Right.
morning.
Good. Okay. And we have our guest today, Silvia Vindas, and we have panelists here. Let's see, we have two new panelists today that we haven't had on the show before. All of the panelists are students of mine. Carlos, you can briefly introduce yourself, please.
Okay, my name is Carlos Pacheco. I'm from Palmares, downtown. Um, I think that is the fourth of its time to stay here. Thanks for that, John.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Um,
I think it's like
okay,
4 or 5. I don't know, but
yeah. I think something like that. Then I
Mhm.
think maybe. Well, I work for a company. They are growers and exporters of ornamental plants.
Mhm.
Yeah, I'm happy to stay here.
Okay. Good. Great. Okay. And let's see. Well, Carolina, can you introduce yourself? This is your first time on the show. Carolina? Oh,
The, she
I.
freeze.
She's frozen. Yeah. Okay. Well, we'll have to. Yeah. She's gone. Okay. Oh, let's see. But she's rejoining. Hello, Carolina.
Sorry.
Yeah, we lost you there for a second. Okay. Yeah. Can you please introduce yourself?
My name is Carolina Benavides. I work in financing in
Hmm.
a construction and design company.
Okay.
I live in Heredia in the mountains.
Hmm. I see. Okay. Good.
Okay.
And Carlo Magno, please introduce yourself.
Hi, good morning. I'm Carlo Magno Suñol. I live in Tres Rios. I work for an international firm, and his name is KPMG. I have
Hmm.
been young student for 2 months,
2 or 3 months, I think. Yep. Hmm.
2 or 3 months,
Yep.
I guess.
Okay. I
Nice to meet you.
didn't. I didn't know you live in Tres Rios.
Yes, I live in Tres Rios near Walmart.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah,
I
yeah.
know you live near here.
Well, yeah. I live in.
Near Terramol, I think. Do you
No,
live?
I don't live there now, but I did live there um, uh, last year. But
Ah,
yeah, I'm actually in Dulce Nombre now.
Dulce Nombre. All
Yeah.
right.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Great. And Sylvia, you are our guest today. You used to be a student of mine, and now I understand that you're just so busy with your company, uh, and well, of course, you got a family too, right? But you don't take classes anymore. But please introduce yourself.
Well, hi, good morning. My name is Silvia Vindas. I am I'm from San Jose originally because I born
Hmm.
there, but it's gonna be like 20 years ago. I moved to Guanacaste, so I
Hmm.
live right now in Liberia.
Hmm.
I look for electromechanical engineer and I work in
Ah.
the HVAC industry, that is like
Hmm.
air conditioning and ventilation industry.
Hmm.
So I have a little enterprise.
Right.
So
Okay.
we with another colleagues of mine, and we
Hmm.
just make all the installations and all the the old installation that you need for our HVAC system. So I'm
Right.
gonna talk about that in some in the future in this program. But
Right.
and I'm married. I have two kids. One
Hmm.
little girl that has 12, and a little boy that had 8 years old. So,
Mhm.
and
Okay.
I'm thrilled to be here. Thank you to having me, and I hope
Oh,
we
great.
enjoy it, and have a good and have fun here.
Mhm. Yep. Okay. Let's explain that term HVAC because probably a lot of people don't know what it means. But
Yes,
the what is the H in
heating.
HVAC? Heating.
Heating. V is ventilation,
Hmm.
and HAC is air conditioning. So
Right.
the whole industry,
Hmm.
you can call it like heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems.
Yeah.
And another thing is you can put an R at the end, and it's
Okay.
refrigeration too. So you
Oh, I see. I see.
heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and refrigeration
Uh-huh.
industry.
Yeah. But you live in Guanacaste, and I don't believe that you have to do any heating.
Heating? No, 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 at all,
No.
at
So,
all. I think
right.
in my 20 years in this business, I think I done just one system with heating, and it was in Cartago,
Ah,
in
well,
a
yeah.
very cold
Uh-huh.
place in Cartago. I don't remember.
Cartago is cold. Well,
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah.
All of Cartago is cold compared
Yeah.
to
Well,
Guanacaste. Yeah.
yeah. So,
Uh-huh.
but
Right.
the whole, I don't know, the 90% of my projects are
Mhm.
air conditioning and ventilation.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I see. Yeah. So I think you should in Guanacaste. I think you should call it the VAC industry because you just don't do the H at all, right?
Yeah, yeah, but
Yeah.
it's like a common term that you
Right.
place
Yeah.
the whole industry in just one term. So we
Right.
use
Yeah.
that.
Okay. Good. I see. Okay. And well, let's see. So a few years ago, you were working for another company, right?
Well, yes.
Hmm.
Well, I'm gonna tell you a little bit of of myself.
Okay.
Well, I've worked in HVAC industry for over 20 years, something like that.
Hmm. Hmm.
And for the last 8 years, no, eight
Hmm.
years, sorry, I've been
Hmm.
in Guanacaste. So I
Hmm.
moved here. So I because I for the company that I worked,
Hmm.
uh, I was the office manager of the uh, one of the largest companies in the
Hmm.
country,
Hmm.
uh,
Hmm.
that works in the HVAC industry, of course,
Right. Mm.
here in Guanacaste. Exactly, probably in Liberia, mainly in
Okay.
Liberia. So
Okay.
I moved here and start working as a office manager there, and then, well, I think the cycle was like running out. So in that
Hmm.
company, so I decided to found a company that I'm working now, uh,
Hmm.
with a couple of colleagues of mine. So
Hmm.
uh, and in the same thing in the HVAC industry. So
Hmm.
we uh, we sell and install all kind of HVAC systems.
Right.
We do everything, design
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
engineering, because you have to. Well, there's a couple of pictures that I sent that I can
Hmm.
show you
Hmm.
a
Yeah.
little.
Let me put some of those
Yes,
up right now.
yes, please.
Okay. Let me see if I can find them. Just a second. They disappeared. Well, okay. Just a second. I'll keep talking, and I'll try to find those.
Okay. So for this, we well, as I was saying, we do everything. We design and do the engineering because you have to know the size of the ducts. That one that
Yeah. Okay.
okay. So can you send like a blueprint? I can
The
you show?
blueprint. Yeah. Okay. Let me
Yeah,
look for
yeah,
the blueprint here. That's the video. Okay.
yeah. The first one. That is
That's the
the
first
first
one.
step that we have to do is uh, meeting our customer.
There we are.
And that one, yeah. Meet our customer or our client and understand what he or she wants to do with the air conditioning system. So the first encounter that we have to do is listen to the customer and
Hmm.
design something that that fit their
Right.
wishes or their expectations, right?
Hmm.
So we start with a blueprint that is like this, is something that graphically show you how to install the unit. So that is
Hmm.
the first part. We sizing the ducts.
Hmm.
That in the picture you can see the unit is the box, the white box that has
Hmm.
letters on it,
Right.
UE 2 01. That is
Hmm.
like the nomenclature of the unit,
Hmm.
and that is the AC unit. So attached of it, you are going to have ducts. That is like a boxes
Oh,
that through
ducks. Oh, yeah.
ducts. Yeah,
Ducts. Right. Ducks.
exactly,
Uh-huh.
ducts.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that is like boxes. In another picture, I'm gonna show you how a duct looks like. So,
Hmm.
but that ducts are attached to the unit,
Hmm.
and for them, through them, we can distribute all the air conditioning to all the room of the or the space that you want to air to condition.
Right.
So
Right. I see on the diagram here. I see there's like a cloud. What?
yeah, yeah, but that cloud is like a note because
Uh-huh.
we do notes in the blueprints and all that. So, but it's not nothing about the design of the system or about the system. It's not a
Uh,
nomenclature. It's just like a like a note that we put in that.
does it show the area that is covered, the area in which the air is refreshed, or?
Well, yes, but that picture in particularly is not showing all the system. But I can send you another one that you can see it. But I don't
Okay.
know if it is better if we can show another pictures.
Okay. Let me see
So I
here.
was telling you that I do everything. The first
Hmm.
part is like meeting the client and hear their expectation, hear their needs, and
Hmm.
then we go to the like to the table and
Hmm.
start to design.
Hmm.
And of course, we have to do a budget and an
Hmm.
offer, a
Oh,
commercial
yes. Hmm.
offer,
Hmm.
and then the client, well, if he is agreeable to buy us the system, well,
Hmm.
we start work with him. So
Okay.
we do everything: the engineer part, the
Hmm.
selling of the equipment, the installation
Hmm.
of it,
Hmm.
and the all running stuff. So,
Hmm.
and we can do from a really small project
Hmm.
like if one of you want a AC unit in your living room or in your room, we can put this little thing and that's it. But
Okay.
also we can do a more complex systems for like, I
Mm-hmm.
don't know, hospitals, large hotels, 10-story apartment buildings. That is the
Mm-hmm.
one that I send you in the in the video that
Mm-hmm.
we are going to show in a few minutes,
Okay.
and for government projects too.
Mm-hmm.
Like, well, I'm just finished one project here in Peñas Blanca. That is the border crossing
Right. Right. Yep.
post. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
we did that. So
Okay.
it's very interesting because you can go from a very small and easy installation and easy application, like I don't know, like conditioning just your a bedroom or a living room or
Mm-hmm.
one area of a house,
Mm-hmm.
but you also can have projects very complex,
Mm-hmm.
like I said, but like I said, like hospitals and industry
Mm-hmm.
that are very complex when you have to manufacture some things that you need.
Oh yeah.
The environment control that
Mm-hmm.
is a very important requirement of the application. So you are
Right.
not going to design for human comfort. You are going to design for the procedure, the
Right.
manufacture procedure. So maybe that kind of conditions
Mm-hmm.
in many cases that kind of condition are very different to comfort, human comfort. So that's
Mm-hmm.
a very interesting um, set of things when you are
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
tracing up HVAC project, so that
Right.
uh, um, you can do anything from the smallest and simple thing to the complex
Mm-hmm.
and
Mm-hmm.
very big things. So
And are there a lot of manufacturing centers in
Costa Rica.
Guanacaste where they need to have a particle-free environment?
Not in Guanacaste. Guanacaste is most well. It's not a secret that
Mhm.
Guanacaste, the main economy motor is tourism, right?
Right, right.
So here is tourism that pays the whole thing. So
Mhm.
you are going to here. I have to do a lot of apartment buildings and
Oh, okay.
residences.
Okay.
Yes, big,
Mhm.
big houses,
Mhm.
but houses, and
Mhm.
big hotels. So
Mhm.
that's the main thing. It's more residential.
Mhm. Let's
And
see. Yeah.
but in San Jose, a
So,
lot of that kind of application, industry application. I don't know if we can show
yeah.
some of the picture, and I'm gonna explain. I don't know if somebody have a
Sure.
question
Yeah.
until now.
Yeah. 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 Does anybody have any questions for Sylvia?
I
Not
think
at the
no.
moment?
Okay, let's move
Okay.
on.
Okay. Do you want to see the
The pictures,
video right
yes.
now?
The video, yes,
Yeah,
yes.
I think I've got the video here. No, I thought I had that. Oh, here's the
Okay,
video. Okay.
That is the condenser unit when the air conditioning systems have one
Mhm.
inside unit, indoor unit, and attached with copper pipes
Mhm.
with outdoor unit.
Mhm.
So I with that expression outdoor,
Right. Yeah.
the unit that goes there out in the space in out of the house,
Out of
out of
the
the building.
house. Right.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
Exactly.
And the other one is installed outside of the building or the whatever.
Mhm.
So that's a condenser unit that we are seeing. There's the outdoor units, and
Okay.
was in a I think
Okay.
apartment building,
Hmm.
and was like I think it's like a 90
Okay. Yeah, we're having,
80.
Sylvia, we're having a little bit of audio problems. Sometimes we we don't hear every word that you say, but
Okay.
most of the time it's working okay. So,
Okay. Okay.
but
Now you can hear me? Yeah.
yeah, yeah, it
Okay.
it comes and goes. But you said something about 90 what?
AC units installed.
Oh, this is
90,
90 units. Oh,
90,
okay.
97.
97.
97
Ah, okay.
AC units installed in that project that we are seeing.
Wow. How
That
much?
was like 1 year and a half work.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
they're a long time. Oh, it's not long
Mhm.
because long is like I don't know 3 4 years and something,
Oh,
but
really?
it's quite a long time for
Hmm.
1.5 year of installation process
Hmm.
and all that. So
Right. How
can
much?
we?
Silvia,
How
Yeah.
much
I
do
have
all these? Okay, yeah, go ahead.
see. Do you have a project only in Guanacaste? Do you your
No,
company only attend?
yeah. Well, my partners works the rest of the country. Just
Ah,
me
okay.
works Guanacaste. Yeah, because I
Ah,
know
okay.
for my experience and my professional growing here, I know I know very well the the the, the son and the customers and all the whole thing here in Guanacaste. I know
Okay.
very well. So I
Mhm.
work here, and my two other partners works the rest of the
The rest of
country.
the country.
Yes,
Okay. Do you sell equipment only equipment, or do you sell a solution on a
the
complete
whole
solution?
solution. Yeah, yeah, the
Install.
whole design and engineering first,
Yeah.
and then the equipment and the installation and the running and all that. So the whole thing we
Uh,
sell the whole thing, but it's up to the customer requires, because sometimes the customer wants, like I don't know, just one, don't just sell me the equipment, so we can sell the equipment,
okay.
just
Too.
equipment.
Okay.
But if you want the whole solution with
Mhm.
installation and engineering and all that, so we can do that too.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay.
And you also take care of the maintenance of the equipment over time.
Yes, that's a very important part, because
Okay.
every machine needs maintenance. So
Uh-huh.
we do the installation, and then we make another offer for the maintenance
Right.
contract if the
Uh-huh.
customer wants, right?
Right. So
Okay.
you offer a warranty.
Yes, of course, a warranty of 2 years around that.
2 years. Okay. But so after 2 years, you don't have to service the equipment?
Yes, of course. You have, well, the recommendation of the um, the recommendation of the maker of the
Mhm.
equipment says that you have to do service or do the service to the AC units about
Mm.
3 or 4 times per year. So
Oh,
each
okay. Mm.
trimester or quadrimester, something like that. Yeah,
Trimester. Okay. Yeah. Uh-huh.
trimester. Yeah.
I see. I see. Okay. But so like the guarantee is 2 years. You
two
guarantee
years,
that.
but you have to do maintenance to the unit, because if there's something
Right.
goes wrong with the unit, and the customer or the client never did like a service, well, the
Right.
guarantee,
Right.
warranty is off.
Right. Right. Uh-huh. Okay. Yeah. Let me say, we might want to explain those words.
Yeah.
Guarantee and warranty. Warranty is a written document that is signed. This is a little bit confusing, so I think I'd like to explain it here. But yeah, a guarantee could be just verbal. It's just something you say. You say, I promise that I will provide service for this product for a certain period of time, right? But a warranty is actually the same thing, but in written
writing.
form. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, it's funny that we have two words for.
We gave both of them, by the way.
Oh, you do. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. You tell them you're going to take care of the equipment, and
And
you
I put it on
also-
writing. Yeah.
and you put it in writing. Yeah. Okay. Good. Yeah.
Okay. In that picture, you can see the dots, right? The
Ducts.
dots
Yeah.
that
Mhm.
are like attached to the AC units and distribute all the air conditioning for all the place that you want to air conditioning, right?
Aha. Yeah.
Can
Okay.
we pass another?
Yeah. Sure. I'm not sure what I have here. How about this one?
There's the unit. I don't know if you can zoom in.
Yeah. It looks like I can. Just a second here.
Okay,
Yep.
okay.
Uh-huh.
Can you see the unit
Up
up,
in the
up in the ceiling, right?
ceiling. Yep.
It's
Uh-huh.
like a gray thing. You
Uh-huh.
can
Yeah, I can actually move this. Okay.
okay, move it. Yeah, yeah. You can see all the HVAC system there if you want. Okay,
Okay.
in the back in there in the part that you can see like a gray area. No, no, no. Go
Mm-hmm.
there. Go down.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yes, yeah. Left, left, left.
To the left. I don't think I
Yeah.
can go. Whoops. Sorry. I don't think I can go left.
No, no, no. Just go up the.
No, I can only go up and down.
Okay, okay. That's okay. Okay. There, in the place that you have the hand, there's the unit. There's the
Ah.
HVAC unit.
Oh, right there. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And the shiny dots that goes.
These are the ducts, right?
That's flexible dots,
Right. Okay.
and rigid dots are the other ones.
Okay.
The boxes, the big boxes that you see there,
Mm-hmm.
there's that ones, yeah, that
Mhm.
are the rigid dots, right? So
Oh, rigid. Okay.
yeah, so you use the flexi dots to
Mm-hmm.
attach the main dock, that is that big box, right,
Mm-hmm.
with the diffusers. The diffusers are that line, that black line that you have on your left, and
This over here.
yeah, that one, and that is
Okay.
the diffuser. The diffuser diffuse the air conditioning to the
Oh,
room.
that's where the air comes out.
Out, yeah.
Oh,
That's it.
okay.
So
I
you
see.
attach through flexible ducts
Mm-hmm.
the diffuser with the main duct of the unit.
Mhm,
So
mhm.
that's a simple way to explain how do you make the whole air distribution in the building or in the area that you are conditioning.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yep.
Can I don't know if somebody have a question in this?
Do you import all the parts?
Yes, yes. Well, we have like an agreement with most of the factories that makes these kind of units. So and there's because there's a lot of brands. There's a lot of brands. So we can import that ones or just buy it here in national stores. That we can do both of them. It depends on how big and how complex is the system. Because if we are going to sell something that is very residential, we can bought the equipment here with our partners, right?
You
But
can buy.
if there's something, the equipment or the application is complex, like hospitals and all kind of things that need that the conditioning, the conditioning area has more of careful with how do you do it. So we import that kind of equipment because you are not going to find it here because they're very specialized. So we have we do both.
Did you participate in the construction of the Waldorf Hotel in Guanacaste?
Excuse me.
Waldorf? Did you participate in the
Well,
Waldorf
no,
the
thank you,
construction?
God. but but I
Yes,
did
because
participate.
at this time they have the supplier have a big problem with
Yes,
Garnier and
yes.
Garnier. Yeah,
I'm very aware
and the hotel.
aware of that because it's like I don't know, like the gossiping of the
Oh,
industry. Yeah, because
Yeah,
it's was a big project
yeah,
and was a lot of money involved. So it's big. That kind of project that have that kind of problems is big because
yeah,
there's a lot of small and medium enterprises that pay the price to be in that project. So that has a problem because it's a small industry because it's Costa Rica and Costa Rica is small, so everybody knows. So I
mhm,
know everybody and everybody knows me because there's a lot of time that we are working in this industry. So there everybody talks about when somebody gets wrong gets bad in a project or not, so everybody knows. So with that one, the one that Carlo Magno is talking about was a major project, a hotel project here, and go
mhm.
wrong with the payment of the suppliers. So
oh, okay. So this is a story in the news, is it?
Yeah,
yes,
yes,
yes.
correct.
Has
Exactly
like a
right.
Oh, okay.
big suit and all that. So
Uh-huh,
Yeah.
I see. So it
I
was.
was
Okay.
involved. I was involved not in that one, but I was involved a couple of years ago. Oh, I think it was yeah. I finished this year in the Ritz Carlton Hotel.
Ritz
Uh,
Carlton. Yeah.
yeah, that is in
In this project.
Papagayo, in Peninsula Papagayo. Yeah,
Yeah.
that was
Okay.
big too. But
Yeah.
thank thank God was difficult, but
Uh-huh, uh-huh.
not the problem that you saw in the news. No, it's not
Yeah.
that. But it's big too.
So,
Okay.
so what is that? What is exactly the story there that you're talking about? Some
Whew.
a supplier could not be paid. Is that right?
Well, I'm gonna try to explain it simple because
Uh-huh.
it's complex. These kind of
Right.
things always are complex.
Okay.
Okay, the main thing is that do you have like a developer, right? The one that is well, there's like a group of developers that
Hmm.
seek money and financial for the project, right? There
Right.
are like the ones that hire the
Hmm.
construction company, and the
Hmm.
construction company hires another contractor, subcontractors, right? This group developer group uh, gave money to the construction, right? And
Construction.
what
Construction.
construction? Well, yeah, I don't know what is the word of constructora. Is the same
Builder.
builder? Okay,
Yeah. Uh-huh.
so the developer group gave also and signed a contract with the builders
Mhm.
and start working, right? And the builder, of course, hires a lot of another subcontractors, right? Like the windows and the HVAC is contractor, the electromechanical contractor, and all that. So
Mhm.
they hired them. So, but the thing is that, and that's the conflict.
Mhm.
The builder says that the developer group didn't pay every change and every extra from the they never receive that payment. So but the developer group says yes, we pay in the moment. So the conflict here is that the builder says they don't have money, and for that reason they don't pay the subcontractor, the
Oh.
subcontractor. So that's the thing. So and that's the conflict. That of course the developer group says I pay. The builder says no, you didn't pay me all. You didn't
Mhm.
pay me the whole thing, and for that reason I don't pay the other ones. So there's like a
Okay.
change. It's like a change. So
So
that's
the end result, it sounds like a construction project was started, and my guess is that it has not been completed because of this problem. Is that right?
no. The project finished,
Oh, it
and
did finish. Oh, okay, okay.
yeah, the whole thing is operating right now. So,
Oh, okay.
but the thing is that has like a suit because the builders sue
Lawsuit. Lawsuit.
a lawsuit. Yeah, the
Right.
builders have made like a lawsuit to the developer group
Okay.
because the other subcontractor are allowing are how do you say demandando? How do you say that?
Um,
Complain.
suing.
Suing,
Complain.
yeah, is suing the
Mhm.
builders. So it's
Okay.
like a change. So
Oh,
the
I see. I see.
subcontractors suing the builders and the builders suing the group developer.
Yeah. Carolina, you work for a construction company, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So
We
you're,
design, we design and construction. My company is from Argentina.
oh,
We
yes.
we are in 12 countries in the South America.
Yeah.
And we right now we are construct the Latina University.
Oh, that's good.
We have
Ooh.
a big projects. In the air condition, we have a lot of problems.
With air
Oh,
conditioning,
Right,
well,
right
I'm
now,
your solution.
right now, I have three partners, I think, but in a lot of projects, we had problems with the air condition.
Okay, so if you need help, I'm here. And my partners are there, so
right.
We work with three or with two important companies in Costa Rica, but
yeah,
it's not that solution.
Oh,
yeah. They have
so
their
your company actually has designed the buildings, but do you work with other companies that do ventilation and air conditioning, or does your company also do that? Are you working with other companies for the ventilation and air conditioning, Carolina?
it's Ah, Carolina. Okay.
It's because the in my company is the same that Silvia told us about this project. We don't. We only work in internal spaces. Um,
Okay.
we have no civil construction.
Ah, okay.
We take the building and we remodelar. What do you say?
Remodel, I think.
Remodel.
Remodel internal space. And
Oh, so you are not building a new
no,
building. You take an existing building and convert
yeah,
it. Ah,
yes,
I see. I see. Okay.
like buildings in Avenida Escazú.
Hmm.
We they finish the building and we take the space
Hmm.
and do the office or the I don't know what we have a lot of right now. We have a lot of we said retails like Donkey Donks, um, uh, Krispy Kreme.
Oh, okay. Retailers. Retailers.
Yes, yes, Old
Okay.
Navy, Gap. This is retails,
The Gap.
or yes, or food companies. Yeah,
Fruit companies
food
Food.
companies.
like Dole or
No, no, no. Food.
Chiquita.
Right now, I have a big project in Avenida Escazú.
Uh-huh.
The name is Jar House. It's a big
Okay.
space. Um, uh, we do the same that Sylvia told. We have a client. We have some people from the windows, from the paint,
Gypsum. Yeah.
from the air condition.
Yeah.
We administrate the construction, but we don't construction anything.
Right.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. I understand.
You don't build yourself.
In my company we are 50 people,
Hmm.
but all the people is architecture, engineering. All this is the or
And inside this designers, how do you say the
designers. I have
Interior,
designers? Right?
interior, interior
15
designers. Yeah.
Interior designer.
15 designers, and they designer all the projects
Hmm.
um, of the beginning, and when they design it with the materials. They choose the materials in the design etapa. What do you say?
Stage.
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 Stage. Yeah. Mhm.
And we
I
have a
see.
lot of when we present to the client the amount of the project.
Hmm.
We have a lot of materials. All that the problem in Costa Rica, I think the problem in Costa Rica is that we had we have companies for design it and companies for construction, and when they need construction, the designer is very difficult, and we sell to the clients that we have the solution
Hmm.
complete, so completed
Yeah.
solution.
Well,
I see.
interesting. Well, I would be delighted if you would consider me like a HVAC supplier to your company. So
Thank you.
you have my number.
Sylvia,
Actually, I call.
um,
This is becoming a show where
I have to
people.
do business too. So
Right. No,
Yeah.
no, no. But this is becoming a show where people network.
yeah, I
Yeah.
have to. Yeah,
Because we had
I'm
somebody
doing
else.
my networking.
Yeah, we had
okay.
before. We had somebody who was working for a company called Boston Scientific, and
Oh, yeah.
and we didn't know this. Well, she was she working for Boston Scientific? No, she wasn't working at Boston Scientific at that moment. But previously, she had worked there for 5 years, and she knew a lot of people there. And it just so happened that one of the panelists on the show very much wanted to make contact with somebody in Boston Scientific in order
Oh,
to work there.
okay.
And
Okay.
so we had some networking going on there too. So yeah, that's good. That's good. So okay,
I have a small.
I have a question. I would like to ask a question to
yeah,
Sylvia.
yeah, Carlos, you haven't said
Yeah.
anything so far.
Okay, okay, Sylvia. Let me see. Sometimes I heard about some problems about the people who live in warm or hot areas when they are exposed high temperature. Uh, is is that a reason or an important this reason? Yeah, the people decide to get uh, some um, what is the word? Some air condition. I don't know what is the word.
Air
Some
conditioning.
uh, I forget the word. Sorry, but I don't have. I think the idea is that is one of the most important reasons that people decide to obtain a system, air condition.
What is the? Let me see if I get this straight. Uh, your question is about that. What is the main reason that people used to?
No, no. Maybe sometimes I hear about the high temperatures uh, can develop some issues health to the people.
Ah, okay,
Um,
got it, got
it
it.
is one of the most important
Well,
reason, or no? It's not necessary.
well, yes and no. First, we all know that the world is getting hotter, right? So,
Right. Global
uh,
warming. Hmm.
yeah, it's the global warming and all that. So it's that's gonna affect the whole all the regions, right? So here in
Right.
Guanacaste, we usually have like 35 or 30 when it's cold, when it's fresh, it's like 33, 30, uh, s- uh, 30
That's
grados.
that's cool.
For me, yes. But it's fresh. It's not cold. It's fresh.
Oh, okay.
So the temperatures here in Guanacaste are in that gap, right?
Right.
Between
Right. Yeah.
30 to 35 in April is like 37 Celsius
Yeah.
degrees.
Uh-huh.
So
Uh-huh.
there's like there's there's problems that you in your there's health problems if you don't control that kind of or you don't control your exposure
Exposure. Yeah.
exposure to you. So main of the people want air conditioning, of course, because the heat, because they can't stand the heat.
Right.
But right now there's a lot of how senior client or senior people,
Seniors. Right.
seniors,
Yes.
there's a lot of seniors
Senior citizens.
that the needs is not just something that you like to, you need it. Here in
Oh
Guanacaste
yeah. Yeah.
you need air conditioning. It's not like a choice. It's
Right.
you need because there's some part of the year, so some
Mm.
time of the year that is you can't stand the
Well,
heat.
yeah.
So I answering your question is yes. People who need air conditioning to get healthier, but
Right.
it's
Right.
not uh, it's not an obligation. It's more like if you
Hmm.
wanted to do it. But here in the rest of the country, but here in Guanacaste, if you don't control the temperature of your environment, you can face some health issues, like your kidneys and the skin that starts to have problems, and with of course with the whole thing is important that you take all these kind of things into consideration when you are going to, I don't know, build a house. So maybe you want AC units in all the areas, just in the bedrooms, but you build your house, the living room and the kitchen and all that with a lot of large windows that you can open, and then the wind come in the house, and has like a natural ventilation. It is not AC units, right? But it works to cool down a little bit the area. So it's a way to save some money, because you are not conditioning the whole house, just the bedrooms and little spaces, but also helps you to cool down your house. So could be a way to solve it.
But I think in these years is more is more that the people need the air condition, and no is a choice.
It's
I think in Alajuela I
yeah.
have a lot of
Alajuela is hot.
friends, and they need air conditioning in their house.
It's a necessity.
In some
It's
part,
absolutely
It's
necessary.
a
Yeah.
necessary.
in some part of Alajuela, definitely. Yeah.
And your
Not here. Not here in Tres Rios. We don't have that
No.
problem.
no,
Cartago,
in your area, no.
Right. Yeah.
and
Sometimes,
some part of
John,
Cartago,
sometimes.
right?
Well, yeah. Actually, my other house that I lived in last year, yeah, that was down in the bottom of a valley near Terramol, and that actually it could get quite warm there. But here I'm up in the mountains, so yeah, we don't have to worry about air conditioning up here. Yeah. Let me see. We have we have a little bit less than 10 minutes left. And Sylvia, the other thing I'd like to talk about today is your own personal path or journey in learning English. Would you like to talk about that and how it has put you in a position now where you work with international clients, right?
Yes, yes. Well, I always believe that English as a second language will help me to my career, since I was
Right.
a young woman, right?
Mhm.
So I started taking classes, English courses, while I was in college.
Mhm.
I complete like 12 English courses. That
Okay.
helped me a lot. But
Mhm.
I have to say, the real learning came when I had to practice at work,
Yeah.
right? So
Yeah.
because I have clients that are mainly foreigners, or
Mhm.
for another country. So not just from United States, from all over the country, but all of them speak English. So you have to to know English in order to get what they want,
Mhm.
and that they hire you. So it's like I think it's a tool for me. English is a tool for my career. So uh, the interesting thing is that English helped me a lot of in my professional development.
Okay,
That
just a second, Sylvia. Keep talking. I have to go outside just for a minute, but I'm not abandoning the show. Okay, keep talking.
about the same thing. Yeah.
No, I have to do something outside right now.
Okay, but I'm still talking about the same
Yeah,
question.
keep talking. Keep
Okay.
talking. The same thing. Yep.
Okay. So uh, I was telling you that English helped me and had a huge impact in my professional life. Definitely. First, it helps me to expand my career opportunities. First, English is key, as I said, in my industry. So I need to speak English in order to get more clients and better ones. So that's I have to say that it works for me, and also because the technical documentation about the equipments that I sell, mainly all of them are in English. So I have to read the manual, the electrical manual, the mechanical manual, and they're all in English. So that's one another reason that I need to improve and learn my English. So, and also, of course, I have to keep up with the clients. That is a very important thing. And another one that English, I have to say that have a positive effect on my career is that I improve my networking and communication skills. So I can communicate right now effectively with colleagues, with clients, with partners around the world. So
Mm-hmm.
that's very important to me because I feel confidence, but also I can write professional emails. I can participate in international lectures or conference that helped me to
Mm-hmm.
grow and understand
Conferences.
technical
Mm-hmm.
conferences to that help me to understand new technologies and new ways to do the things that I have to do in my work. So that's because I know English that helped me to improve my career because I have access to that information because I understand
Mm-hmm.
English.
Mm-hmm.
So, in short, I think English didn't just add me a skill to myself.
Mm-hmm.
It opened up a door for my professional growth and my professional
Mm-hmm.
career. So, I think
Mm-hmm.
it pays.
Mm-hmm.
That's my thing. I have invested a lot of
Mm-hmm.
money in not just English, in another skills that I had, and I have to say English is the one that it pays off. It's like it's very necessary to know English because it's a door for you. It not just
Right. Right.
it's not just professionally. It's always
Right.
it also is so personal because in the process you meet people and that's good.
Right. Right.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I meet John
Mm-hmm.
studying English, and I'm meeting you right now. So it's good.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. And basically, when you and your colleagues decided to form your own company and work for yourselves, English was an important part of that, right?
Yeah,
Because maybe you could have done it without English, but then probably you would have just been dealing with Costa Ricans and Costa Rican companies. But that having English has allowed you to do business with the international companies that set up hotels, and
exactly.
but also too like the foreigners who come down to Guanacaste to retire here, right? Because
Yeah.
you work with residents as
Yes.
well.
Yes,
Yeah.
definitely.
So,
And they are not going to learn Spanish. So,
yes,
yeah,
it's a
yeah, yeah,
sad story. I don't
yeah, yeah, yeah.
feel good about that.
They're not
Mhm.
going there right now.
Right, right.
But well, that's a reason for why English, not just for me, I think for everybody that want to develop their careers, it's important, right?
Right, right. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Okay. Does anybody else have any questions? Any further
Yeah,
questions?
I would like to ask the last one, maybe. Um, about the AC unit. Are there some of them? Uh, let me see. Um, Different systems. They are using electricity. They are using gas. They are using uh, panel solar.
Yeah.
There are different kind of them.
Yes, there's the thing is that air conditioning, like every technology, has their pros and their cons, right?
Right.
Is
Hmm.
there's
The good
the
things and the bad
positive,
things.
exactly, the positive and the good things and the bad things. That is the
Hmm.
thing. So the thing is with air conditioning is that the electrical consumption,
Consumption, yes. Uh-huh.
yeah, is high. So
Okay.
because the compressors, that is the heart of the AC units, needs works all the time. So
Right.
that has like an effect that the consumption of the electricity of the energy is go up.
Right. Right.
So in order to change that, there's brands that develop like a AC unit that works with, for example, solar panels.
Okay.
But the
Hmm.
thing is that that works for small units. But if you want conditioning your a larger space or an industry or an hotel or something like that, right? Or a big apartment or a big house, it doesn't work. It doesn't work because you are going to have like a lot of that small units in all your house or all the place, and it's gonna is not is not efficient. So
Yeah, right. Hmm.
if you want to, I don't know, like buy for your house, for a bedroom or an office that you have, well, it could work. But if you want to uh, conditioning a large space, is not gonna work that well.
I see. Like a big hotel or an
Yeah,
office building.
an office building or apartment building, it's not gonna work.
Hmm.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
that's important. That's why it's important to hear the necessity and understand the application when you are going to design first. When you design
Hmm.
and do the engineering first, you are choosing even that, even why what equipment is gonna work as client want, what kind of
Hmm.
equipment will fill the expectation line. So that's the first stage, the best solution for the application and the needs
Hmm.
of the client.
Yep. Yeah. Okay. Let me see here. Yeah. I was just thinking. We had a previous show that was about somebody working in the construction business, and that was show number one, two, three, four, five. I think it was show number six, the one
As
with
a builder,
Alonso. As a builder, well, actually, the guy that we had was doing customer service for a construction company, an international construction company, and he was doing, but he was helping with clients in projects outside of Costa Rica as well. Yeah, that might be an interesting show. The one with Alonso Brenes, we had way back on the 20th of September, because we also talked about construction and related topics. So
Okay.
yeah, but okay, good. Let's see. Well, that I think is it for today. It's 5 minutes after 10 in the morning, so we've done a whole hour here. But let's see. That was very interesting. It's very nice to hear from you again, Sylvia.
Yeah,
And
thank you
I'd
for
love to
having
have
me.
you. I'd love to have you come back and take classes with me again. You know,
Yes, yes, I
uh,
need time to do that.
you
Yeah,
need time. That's the thing.
yeah,
Yes.
that's the
Yes.
problem in the first
Right.
place. Yeah.
Once somebody is a professional and they have kids, and then they go and do what you did, they start working for themselves. So you're kind of an entrepreneur. Then I kind of know that I'm going to lose that person.
Yeah, yeah.
As a,
I hope someday I will return. Yeah,
okay.
to you.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I
Good.
hope.
Good. Good. Okay. I'll remember that. I'll remember
Yeah,
that.
yeah,
Yeah. Okay, great. Good. Let's see. I think that is it for the show
yeah.
today. So thank you very much, everyone, for being here. And yeah, this show will be available on my YouTube channel for people who want to watch it later. So feel free to promote the show, tell people about it, and pass the link on to them so that they can watch it. And also, I will be developing short videos of some of the highlights from the show today, and that will
Okay.
probably come out. I'll probably do that tomorrow. So yeah, watch for those, and thank you very much, everybody.
Yeah, thank
Thank you,
you.
Silvia, for
Thank
your
you.
time
Thank
and
you.
the rest of the
You're
Nice to
day.
meet you.
Uh huh.
welcome. You're
Great.
welcome.
Good
Have a
job
nice
by
day.
everybody. Yep. Okay. And yeah, enjoy your day.